Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Aman and I make videos related to makeup, fashion and lifestyle. So today's video, you must have got to know from the title that it's a Kmart haul video. And if you don't know what Kmart is a store from where you can pretty much buy everything apart from food items and grocery things. So you can get clothing items, electronic, home decor, toys, pretty much everything. So I was just wandering there a few days ago, and all of a sudden I saw one t-shirt which I'm gonna show you very soon, and I just loved the color of that t-shirt. And when I looked at the price, it was so cheap, guys. I was like, why not? And then I saw on the board it was a clearance section, so I picked up quite a few clothing items from there, and then few makeup items which was not in the clearance but just the clothing items. So I thought I should share it with you guys. So, and I think they all on clearance because of the lockdown and they don't just want to get rid of them. So yeah, and it's pretty good material. It's not like they're on clearance so it was a cheap quality. No, I think one or two t-shirt I think is really not really good material, but still I can work with it because it was so cheap. So yeah, I just don't want to blabber anymore, and let's straightway jump into the video, guys. So the very first item what I got is this green color t-shirt, guys. I just loved it when I saw it because I don't own anything in this color, so I was like, I need to get it. And I don't own many turtleneck t-shirts, not many, I think I don't own any turtleneck. So I thought I will grab it, and it has a half sleeves and it totally looks exactly same from front and the back. Yeah, you can style it with a lot of things. You can style it with the skirt as well, jeans, tights as well. So yeah, and in this exactly same style I got another one which is charcoal black in color. And if you haven't seen I think I was wearing it in my everyday makeup routine video. If you haven't seen, I'll definitely link it somewhere here. You can go and check that out as well. So I was wearing it in that one as well, and it fits me so perfectly, guys. It's exactly same front and back, half sleeves and turtleneck, and I think it's called charcoal black color. So guys, it was so cheap. Like, I think it was only for, okay, I don't have a tag for this one because I already washed it and wore it once, and it still looks like exactly new. It's not like after wash it has gone something something wrong with it. There's nothing wrong with this t-shirt. So yeah, I think this was for like, I think $2. Yes, so yeah, there you go, with the $2. And I got in this size 14. Generally I wear 12, but these were, I thought it would fit me 14. So yeah, they're both in size 14. So this is the first two t-shirts I got. So the next item I got is this blue high neck top, guys. So it looks exactly same from front and back, and it is half sleeves, and the material is not too thick, not too thin. You can wear it in any weather. If you think it's cold, you can wear this and you can wear a jacket on top and it will look really smart. And you can wear white jeans with it, so you can pair it as well with, like, you can style it with so many different things. So yeah, and I got this in the size 16, and I'm not sure what, so it was also on clearance, so I bought it for like $2. So for the next item, guys, I was actually looking for a red color jumper for such a long time. So it's not exactly red, it's like red brown color. So this is what I got. That's the jumper, and it has a full sleeves and it's totally plain from the back, sorry. And that it says on the front, the Central Highland Adventure. It was not on clearance. I just picked up because I loved the color, and I think I'm not sure actually what the price was. If I'll find it, I'll definitely put it somewhere here. But yeah, so that's what I got, and it's really warm and soft. I've already washed it and wore it. I loved it, and it's great. So the next item I got this a yellow color t-shirt. I think it's cotton, guys. I'm really bad with the material, so I don't know. And I got this in the size 10, and it's totally plain from front and the back, and it has half sleeves, and the shoulders come here, guys. And I just love the look of it. It's like loose one, it's not like fitted one like the other ones, so it's a bit loose, and I just love it. And I wore this one in the one of the video that's like how to curl your hair. I'll definitely put a link of that video as well somewhere here. But yeah, so that's one. And I got this one, and exactly in same like this one I got this as well. It's like very different grayish color. I think I'm not even sure what color is it, like earthy color. But yeah, so they both are like round neck, half sleeves, loose ones, but I got different size in this one because this one had a 10, but I don't think so this one had 10, so I got this one in 12. But they all both look so cute. I've tried it already, but I haven't wore it, you know. So yeah, and so the next t-shirt I got is this pink, peachy brownish pink color long t-shirt, guys. It's half sleeves, it has a round neck, and it's totally plain from front and back. Pretty much I got all the t-shirts, they're all plain. I don't know for what reason, but yeah, and it has a slit on the little bit, not too much, just a little slit on the side here, on the both the sides. Yeah, and it was for like $2, and I got this in the size 10. Guys, I think if you wear it like 6-7 times, you know, it worth the money. So I really don't mind, and I just loved it. And the quality doesn't seems to be like, it's really good quality. The only t-shirt which I'm gonna show you now, I think the quality for that one is bit but otherwise I think they all are pretty good. So for the quality wise, I think this one is the t-shirt which I think it's bit really, it is soft material, but it's really thin material. I think if I'll stretch a little bit, it'll take the shape of that, you know what I mean, if I'm explaining it right. But I think this one, but I haven't tried doing it, but I think, I'm not sure. So this is the white plain t-shirt, guys, and I got this in the size large, and it has all over there the print of birds, like it's a white, red and blue color bird all over, and it's a half sleeve round neck, and I got this one for just $1, guys. So yeah, I think this is the only t-shirt. I think the material is not really good, but I haven't washed it, I haven't tried it, so I really can't say, but I think so. Yeah, that's the one. So moving on to the next t-shirt, I got this one in green in color. It's exactly same as to that this one, the pink one, exactly same, long. It has a slits on side, totally plain from front and back. It's half sleeve, and that's the round neck. And I think that's also for $2. You guys can dress this whichever way you want to, you know, with the jeans, but you can even wear it as it is and wear a belt. You're good to go. You can wear heels with it, or you can wear it like very you can give it a very sporty look. You can wear it as it is with white sneakers and a cap, or you can do ponytail. It's really gonna look so good. So yeah, so that's the another one. So moving on to the next t-shirt, what I got is this blue color. I think it's called like a steel bluish color. It has a round neck and half sleeves, and this one also has a slits on side, and it's also pretty long and totally plain from front and back. I just love it, guys. I just love the color of this one, and this one I got in size 10, and this one is for $5. So I think this is the only t-shirt is the most expensive out of all the lot. So yeah, so this plain blue t-shirt, I just love the color, guys. So yeah, that's the next one. So now last but not least is this white, off-white t-shirt which says like canvas mill something, and does say something at the back as well. And it's long t-shirt, half sleeves and round neck, and I got this one in the size 8/10. Anyone can wear it. It's also like loose one, and I got this one for $2. Basically the size says here is the large, guys, so it's also like for $2. So yeah, I got this one and I really love it. Actually I got this one for my husband, but when I bought it I didn't see that there's something written at the back, because he's not into it. Like, he doesn't like when it's too much writing or something going at the back or at the front. So yeah, so he said he might not wear it, so I'm gonna end up wearing this. But yeah, so that's the one. So that was the last clothing item. So now moving on to the makeup item, what I got only 3 makeup item, and it's from the same brand because I don't own anything from this brand and I want to test, you know, how this works because I heard a lot about it. So the first thing I got is the foundation. It's by elf, and the shade I got this one is in 210 natural. I actually taken out everything from the packaging because I wanted to see the shade basically for this one. I got this one a bit darker to my skin tone because at the moment, because of COVID and you know all that, it's not allowed to have testers there. They don't have testers to test, so I just picked up randomly this one. So I thought it would be okay because it says natural, but it's darker for my skin tone. So but I'm gonna mix it with other foundation to match it to my skin, so I'll definitely tell you what I feel about this foundation. But yeah, so that's the one, and it says satin finish, and I'm not sure what the price is for this one. If I'll find it, I'll definitely put it in the description box, or I'll put it somewhere here on the screen. So that's the first makeup item. So now moving on to the second item I got is makeup mist and setting spray from elf. I really love the packaging. It's so simple, minimalistic. So yeah, so that's the makeup mist, and I didn't get the bigger bottle because I wanted to test it, what I feel about it. So yeah, that's what I got. Now last but not the least, so the next item I got is this elf eyeshadow in the shade golden. I mean, I think it's golden. Yeah, it says 24K gold. I wanted to try the eyeshadow as well, so I just picked up this one, and I'll show you the shade, guys. I've already not tried it on my eyes, but I did see the color, so I'll just show you 1 second. It's so good, guys. It's so pigmented. See if you can see that. It looks so good. I just love this color, so you will be seeing me using this really soon in one of the videos. So yeah, so that's what all I got from Kmart, guys, and I just love what I got. It was not really expensive. It was like really cheap. It was all on clearance because of lockdown, so I thought why not. And I didn't shop for such a long time. I think nobody did during lockdown, so I did splurge a little bit extra. But yeah, that's what all I got, and I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. And if you do so, then please don't forget to subscribe, share, and hit the bell icon so that you can get notified for all my videos. Till then, bye, and I'll see you in my next video.